How to upload a portfolio on Peopleperhour. First of all, open your browser and go to peopleperhour.com. Log into your account using your email and password. Once you are logged in, click on your profile picture at the top right corner and select Profile from the drop-down menu. Next, click on the Edit button to access your profile settings. Scroll down until you find the Portfolio section. Here you can add examples of your previous work to show clients what you are capable of. To upload a new portfolio item, click on the Browse or Embed button. If you choose Browse, you can upload files directly from your computer, such as images, PDF, or videos that display your work. If you select Embed, you can paste a link to an online project or video, such as from YouTube, Vimeo, or Behance. After uploading or embedding your project, enter a title that clearly describes your work. This helps potential clients understand your expertise. Once you are done, click on the Save button to publish your portfolio item. You can repeat the same process to add more examples of your work. Now you know how to upload a portfolio on Peopleperhour. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more freelancing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.